What is the smallest number which, when increased by 3, is divisible by 21, 25, 27, and 35? Now, again, remember this kind of wording. If you find such kind of a wording where the smallest number, which, when increased by some value, is divisible by a group of numbers, what you have to do is find the LCM of those group of numbers and then subtract 3, because it is given here increased by 3. So therefore subtract 3 from it. Okay. So now we have to find out LCM of 21, 25, 27, and 35. So 21 is 3 into 7. 25 is 5 raised to 2. 27 is 3 raised to 3. 35 is 5 into 7. So the LCM of all these numbers will become the product of the highest powers of all factors. So 3 raised to 3 multiplied by 5 raised to 2 multiplied by 7. So 3 cube is 27 into 25 into 7. Answer comes as 4725. So now applying this concept, it will become 4725 minus 3. So therefore final answer will become 4722.